At your lowest moments, you're wheezing to try and get a gasp of air.
Suck it in big and rest.
CF, it's scary, it's painful.
We would see the same patients come in month after month. They would try their best until they would eventually need a lung transplant or they would unfortunately die.
I began to think maybe I could make a difference for these people by just trying to understand what was wrong.
We are not only performing cutting-edge research, we are leading cutting-edge research.
If you work on this, you might be able to have a drug.
If you told me, right, the sort of most successful story of what these drugs would do, I don't think any of us would have wrote what's happening right now. I mean, it's truly unbelievable.